When it comes to crypto, security is one of the biggest concerns, and many networks fail to provide the safety it needs for users to be able to navigate around and use the native tokens without having to fear the threat of data breach and loss. However, there might be safety issues with some, but not all. And in fact, one of the rising stars in that segment is the Polymath network. If you don't know what I'm talking about, stick with this video till the end and find out everything you need to know about Polymath. Polymath provides technology to create, issue, and manage security tokens on the blockchain. Polymath spearheaded the creation of a unified standard for security tokens on Ethereum, ERC-1400, and over 200 tokens have been deployed using Polymath's Ethereum-based solution. Recognizing that existing blockchains were insufficient to meet regulatory requirements of capital markets, Polymath built Polymesh, an institutional-grade blockchain built specifically for regulated assets. Polymath streamlines antiquated processes and opens the door to new financial instruments by solving the inherent challenges with public infrastructure around identity, compliance, confidentiality, governance, and settlement. It was founded while searching for a solution to tokenize a private fund. During this process, it became clear that complex technical and legal challenges made it very difficult to launch securities on the blockchain. This led to a much larger vision. Instead of launching just one tokenized microfund, why not make it easy for anyone to launch a security token? With this idea, Polymath was born. Polymath has team members and contributors worldwide and a growing list of over 50 global service providers. After a successful Polymath platform launch, Poly was created to interact with the platform. Poly is the utility token that fuels the Polymath Token Studio on Ethereum and is used by issuers creating and managing security tokens on the platform. Almost 100,000 wallets hold Poly, with 240 million tokens having been distributed during the launch. The max supply of Poly is 1 billion. 925 million will be circulating by January 31st, 2022. The team has locked up the final 75 million until January 2024. Polymesh is currently in testnet phase. When the Polymesh mainnet launches, ERC-20 Poly holders may optionally upgrade their Poly on a one-to-one basis for Polyx. The only Polyx that exist are those created via the upgrade process and any created by the blockchain for proof-of-stake rewards. Once mainnet is live, the circulating supply of Ethereum-based Poly will decrease by the amount that is swapped to Polymesh. Poly is available for trading on a growing number of exchanges, with cryptocurrency, stablecoin, and fiat pairs currently available. The largest markets are Binance, Upbit, and Coinbase. Now let's talk prices. In the last 24 hours, Poly has dropped by 11.14% and now trading at a price of $0.4465. The prices are subjected to overall global stress on the markets. However, BTC and Ether are enjoying massive gains. It is safe to say that the trend will follow the piper. For the last 7 days, Poly was in a good upward trend and increased by 25.18%. Polymath has shown very strong potential lately, and this could be a good opportunity to dig right in and invest. Within the last 1 month, the price of Poly decreased by negative 28.885%, eliminating a whopping average of 18 cents from its current value. This sudden down means that the coin is in a dip right now, meaning that it can be a good buy opportunity for quick investments. The 90 days price change is around minus 36.75%, and the price circulated from a minimum average price of 68 cents to maximum average price of 74 cents in the last 90 days. Polymath is down by negative 41.75%, with the maximum average price of the coin around 92 cents, and the minimum average price was around 92 cents in the past 4 months. May not be able to tell anything concrete until the dust settles. However, there's no denying that with careful observation and correct knowledge, it can be a safe bet to invest in Poly now. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and press the bell icon. I'll be with you in the next one.